Gift Ostallos shared some profound words. He said, "Every struggle has its own challenges, contradictions, and bruises. We will inevitably face setbacks, disagreements, and hardships along the way." And it's true, isn't it? Whether it's fighting for climate action, social justice, or any other cause, the road is never easy. Gift also said, "We must not let these obstacles deter us from our central strategic objective. This is where our power lies, not in avoiding the fight, but in pushing through, in overcoming. We have to keep our eyes on the prize, drawing strength from our shared vision and collective resilience. Together, that's how we do it. In unity, there's an unbeatable strength. In the face of adversity, that's where we find our greatest triumphs. It's in those moments, when the odds are stacked against us, that we discover just how determined and strong we truly are. And believe me, when we come out on the other side, we're not just winners. We are changed, better, more resilient. A luta contra. This isn't just a rally cry, it's a reminder. It means struggle on. And that's exactly what we must do. No matter the setbacks, no matter how hard the wind blows, we struggle on. Because on the other side of adversity lies a brighter, more just world. And it's up to us, all of us together, to get there. So let's not get discouraged by the bruises. Let's wear them as badges of honor, symbols of what we've overcome. Let's remember why we started this journey and let that fuel our fire to keep moving forward. Because, my friends, we are unstoppable together, and our greatest triumphs are yet to come. Thanks for listening. Keep fighting the good fight. We're all in this together, and together, we are unstoppable.